Hello and welcome to Dr. Dirt Quick Tips of the Day. I'm Chris Dowling from Back Paddock, and the topic of today's session is: does plant part samples really matter? The old yebs versus whole tops debate. I frequently get calls from advisors planning plant tissue analysis, and they ask the question, does the plant part that I take really matter? The answer generally is yes, both from a sampling logistics and a plant chemistry point of view. Starting with plant chemistry, if you're concerned about nutrients that are mobile in the plant, such as zinc, copper, boron, sulfur, then youngest expanded blades, or yebs, tend to provide a better interpretation outcome, whereas the whole tops tend to do a better job with plant mobile nutrients such as NPK. Collecting sufficient yebs at an early stage means a lot of lead work in the paddock, and getting sufficient sample weight to the lab to do their job can be a big exercise. Whole tops become impractical at later stages due to large amounts of material collected when getting a representative sample of the area. Subsampling whole tops once tillering is started should be avoided, as it can introduce errors related to non-representative proportions of tillers of different ages being included in the samples. Where specific nutrients are targeted for plant tissue analysis, the following would be the guidelines I'd suggest. For trace elements, sample yebs between four-leaf and mid-tillering. For NPKs, sample the whole tops between mid-tillering and first node. This allows the roots to reach the subsoil where higher quantities of soil mobile nutrients such as NNS may have accumulated in the plants, and the plants are not too big. Late season sampling for assessment of crop nutrient status, yebs and flag leaf are probably your best options because they're the most practical. Even testing nutrients in grain can give some guide to seasonal availability late in the season. Well, that's the end of my tips for today. In our next session I'll comment about the importance of considering the 4 Ds of nutrient acquisition in relation to sampling and interpreting plant tissue tests.